you handle rejection? You gonna go tell so that the adult makes them play with you? That's not a good way to go through life. Handling rejection is a real life skill. Going out in the corner and crying and pulling yourself together and finding somebody else to play with is a real life skill. And it's nobody's fault that somebody says no to you or hurts your feelings. See, we always say, when we talk about the power struggle, we always say that we are only responsible for how we respond to things that come at us. And so that's something we've got to teach as well. You can't control what comes at you, but the way you respond to it is going to make a world of difference.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.